Let's create the melting text effect in Photoshop. But you might not know there are three different styles of it that nobody had talked about. For the first style, let's write a word. We'll adjust its size and position. Now, right-click on the text layer and choose Rasterize Type. Then, click on one of the handles, then right-click to select Perspective. Now, select one of the bottom corner handles and drag to the side to make it slanting. Press Enter or Return to apply. After that, select a smudge tool and with soft round brush selected, smudge the bottom of the text to create the smoky melting effect. Now add a gradient map and select any gradient you like. Then add colors to enhance the smoky melted part. If we open the gradient, we can observe that the first color is the text color and the last color is the background color. We can play with it and get a desired look. Let's group them and name it as Smoky Melted Text Effect. For the second style, let's write a longer word. We'll adjust its size and position it on the top. Now right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then we'll go to Filter and select Liquify. In the Liquify window, first select the Freeze Mask tool. Now paint on the upper part of the text to freeze that part. Now with Forward Wrap tool, we drag the bottom half to create a melted pattern. Press OK to apply. We can do the gradient map step as we did previously. Let's group them also and name it as Bottom Melted Text Effect. And for the third style, let's write the longer word again and this time copy paste it to fill the canvas. Convert it to Smart Object and go to Filter and Liquify. But this time we will select the Twirl clockwise tool. We can increase the size of the brush and with long click we can get the effect. But I would suggest that first reduce the size to the letter in the center, then twirl that fully. Then keep increasing the brush size and cover the other letters to twirl them. Just leave the top and bottom part to make the word visible. Twirl melted text effect, and with that we have created melted text effect in 3 different styles. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.